guys, and welcome to my channel on One Click Media, Laura's Click Media. Did you know that one can now access the WhatsApp web without having an internet in their smartphone? Now, WhatsApp is one of the most popular medium of communication in present times. Millions across the globe are currently making use of this messaging app to stay connected with their family, friends, and even colleagues. And due to the Ease multi-device program, users can now access WhatsApp on their devices, even on desktop and in their portal. And with the announcement of this recent feature by the parent company Meta, your messages, videos, and call remains private due to the end-to-end encryption. Now, moving a step forward, one can now link their devices on the WhatsApp web without having an internet on their mobile phone or their smartphone. However, you should know that if the main device remains or stays disconnected for the period of 14 days, it will automatically log out the device from the web platform, or it will get disconnected. Explain to you how to use your WhatsApp web without a smartphone. The first thing to do is to open up your WhatsApp web on your desktop by typing in www.whatsappweb.com. Now, once you open up, you will see the home screen will appear just in this way. Now, once it comes up this way, all you need to do now is to move over to your phone. Remember, initially we will need your mobile phone to link your device to the web or desktop or portal. Now, after which you can now be able to make use of the web platform without a mobile phone, but you need it at the first or at the initial stage. Now, all you have to do is to tap on the WhatsApp icon, open the WhatsApp on your phone, and tap on the three dotted lines located at the right corner of the screen. Now, a drop-down list will show. Then tap on the linked devices. Now, it will show you that you should link a device. Now, once you tap on the link a device, all right, immediately the interface of the QR code located on your desktop will show. Now, point the camera opener close to your QR code, all right? Just point your phone to the screen of your desktop and capture the code. You ensure that this block right here, it's pointing towards the QR code, because if it's not pointing towards the QR code, it's not going to connect. Like currently as it is now, it's not close to the QR code. Now this is the QR code, so all I'm going to do is to point it directly to the screen and as you can see, it's already connected and it's locking in. This will occur if you have accessibility to the internet, but whereby you don't have internet accessibility, it will not work. Remember, I said that you need your mobile phone to link it up at the initial stage, after which you can now put it off. But once your device remains disconnected for the period of 14 days, you will not be able to reconnect it back again. You will need to link it up again. I hope it's really quite clear. So we're going to wait for some seconds for you to connect. Depends on the speed of your internet. So if you need to understand properly how to link your WhatsApp, your device to your WhatsApp web, check on the my previous explainer video where I explained in detail how to link up your WhatsApp to your device. Currently, I'm explaining how to make use of a WhatsApp web without an internet on your mobile phone. So as you can see, it's connected, and now the idea is to try out this without the network or the internet. So I'm going to put on my internet now. Okay, it's off now, and let's try out to see if this will work. Okay, let me see. My internet is currently off. As you can see, it's working. I can browse, I can type, I can do whatever I want to do. All right, and initially for this up, once your data is off, it will indicate by the orange sign or the orange color, indicating that there is no internet in your smartphone. But currently now there is no indicator showing that there is no internet. One can just browse and you can easily chat your way through. I think I'm loving this. Yeah. We've learned one or two from the explainer tutorial video that I just made. If you like it, please subscribe to my page or give me a thumbs up or also comment. You can interact with me in case if you have any questions or any suggestions. So thank you so much for giving me that thumbs up and for your subscription. Yeah. Bye bye. answer. You gotta be. Now, hello everyone. Hello friends, and welcome to. Why are you distracting me?